Okay, welcome to today's class here. We are with Anna. Today we're actually going to do double strip boxes. And this is actually one of my favorite lighting setups. What we have here is we have a strip box with a grid on it. The grid helps to control the light and direct it exactly where you want it. Now with the double strip boxes, what's nice about that is you get light coming from this side and you get light coming from this side. You can move the strip boxes around even towards the back and just get a nice little rim light. So that's how people get the rim light photos. With the double strip box, what I like about it with boudoir and also nude is you can set them where you get a sort of a shadows right down the middle. And a lot of times it hides things that you want to be more
perfect.
Flawless. Yeah,
right?
That'll work. So anyway, the shadows, this setup allows you to really utilize the shadows the way you want it. You can also bring one more in front and one more towards the back to kind of highlight the back. So there's a lot of ways to use this. Right here, what I'm going to do is have you come up just slightly. Okay. And if you take a look, we can feather these to where it's only giving a little bit of light on the highlights there. So let's take a look. Now my settings on this, I have both of them set at 7, I believe. Yeah, have them both set at 7. So let's take a couple of shots, see what we get here. My camera settings, I'm at 1/60th of a second, 5.6, and ISO 100. So let's see what we get. Beautiful, look at that.
Love it.
The only thing to be careful about with this lighting setup though is make sure we're not hiding the face totally with shadow. So we got a lot of shadow on the face, so I may want to change that up a little bit, and I changed that simply by feathering this a little more over here. And that'll give me more light on the face. So let's try one more shot here. Beautiful, very nice. Also, we have to be careful when the hand's there.
Shadow.
You can get a shadow. So careful with that, and I think we got it. Let's take a few shots here. Beautiful, love it. I love it.
Cute.
Gorgeous shadows, very nice. Absolutely beautiful.
Nice shoot.
Very nice. Let me make sure we're not losing anything here. Yeah, that looks great.
Cute.
That looks great. I love it. Excellent. Now guys, in the description below, I'm going to put Anna's social media stuff there, so make sure you follow her on Instagram and all the other social media sites there.
Thank you.
Very nice. I love it. Excellent. Let's see what these are looking like. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. I love it. I love it.
Super cute.
Now let's do something a little different here.
Okay.
I am going to pull out more feathers.
Ooh, nice.
We got plenty of feathers.
Pretty.
Let's go with more white feathers.
Yeah. Love it.
Have you that. And let's see what we can do with this. Oh, I love it. Do that again. Let's see what the lighting looks like. Very nice.
Cute.
How cute. Love it. Excellent. Very nice.
Oh, I'm sorry, I messed up.
There we go.
That's not what I wanted to do.
Excellent. Make sure we still got good lighting here. Oh yeah, very
That
nice.
one's cute.
Oops, I got you.
Sorry.
Turn in there. That's okay. That's a cute shot. Oh,
That was really, I like that. That's cute. Candid.
Okay, let's do a few more shots. Maybe put it behind the back, kind of like wings. Ah, there we go. Oh, that's cute. Very nice. Excellent. Love it. Beautiful.
Like a little, wait.
Nice. Excellent. Love it.
Cute, cute.
Love it.
Aw, that one is cute.
And let's see. Let's do a few more without the feathers,
Okay.
and we will be done with this.
Sounds good.
Now, let's do something a little bit different.
Okay.
We're gonna use the strip boxes. I'm gonna put them more behind her, so I'm just getting the edges.
Okay.
So let's try that. Go ahead and stand where you were, so
Oh,
I can
sorry.
direct these. Okay. Put this a little more behind as well. Okay. Let's see what we're getting with this.
Okay.
This is a little more unique. I like that pose. Oh yeah, very dramatic.
Oh, I like it. I like it
Very
too.
dramatic.
Very nice.
I love this. I
Cute.
love this. Very nice. Okay. Now keep in mind with this type of shooting, you're getting just the edges. So you want to make sure,
I stay in the center.
well, no, that's good, but what we want to make sure of is there's a lot of triangles
Okay.
so that you can,
Oh, okay.
because
I gotcha.
if we're more like this, it's not going to be as pretty as,
Gotcha.
you know,
Okay.
yeah,
So
really,
more dramatic poses.
yeah, really seeing the shapes.
Okay.
This is good to show off shapes. Oh, that's gorgeous. That is gorgeous. I love it. Love it. Very nice. Excellent. These are beautiful. And let's do some more full body. Excellent. Oops. Hang on, my camera's trying to keep up with me. Okay. All right, super. Yeah,
Cute,
you
cute.
gotta
I
let
like
that
it.
keep up.
Super cute.
That is, so that's all for today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, and we will see you all next week.
Have one more.